Good morning. It's Jeff with Camp Base, and out here working on my GTX. And I'll bet everybody knows what today is, other than September 8th, 2018. That's the interior of the car for you. Floors are done. Seats are done. But it's not about the interior today. I guess everybody knows what today is. It's reassembly day. Reassembly day has arrived. Hard to believe. So here's the parts I've got. Mostly Moog components. Yes, I've heard about Moog. I've heard good and I've heard bad. Hard to say what's reality because I don't have any experience with them. Had a lot of these bars powder coated right there. Got some shocks from Hotchkiss. Got a Hotchkiss upper control arm. Redid my own lower control arms. Had, rebuilt them and reinforced the bottom with stiffening plates. But instead of using the ones I bought because I thought they were too thin, I doubled the thickness and welded that on the bottom. Here's the adjustment screws that go on there. Idler arm, stuff like that is sitting right here. Let's see, yep. And then all the parts. So today's reassembly day. That's brake equipment, brake lines I've made. And here's the empty space. So hopefully, probably won't get it all done today, but at least I can get a good start on it. All right, that's where we're at. Today's reassembly day, which is a turning point for the car, really. Camp Base out. Y'all have a great day. Please follow us and like us.